Hey everybody, welcome back to Rusty Wrench Restorations. If you're a new viewer or a new subscriber, I'm Steve, and this is my 1960 John Deere 430 crawler. As you can see, I've got my trailer out in the street. The crawler's in the garage. I've been working on it this week, getting everything cleaned up, some paint correction, waxing and detailing, and getting it ready for the Coastal Virginia Auto Show that's happening this weekend at the Virginia Beach Oceanfront, the Virginia Beach Convention Center off 19th Street. The show's on Friday from 6 p.m. until 9 p.m., Saturday 10 a.m. until 7 p.m., and Sunday from 10 a.m. until 6 p.m. Saturday, I think, is the best day to go because not only do you have all the indoor events going on, but there's also an outdoor car show from 10 to 4. So usually like 300 plus vehicles inside and 100, 150 on the outside. When I say vehicles, it's not just cars. There's bicycles, motorcycles, cars, trucks, tractors, aircraft, you name it. It's all been in there. Muscle cars, classic cars, exotic cars, you name it, it's there. They got live music, giveaways, raffles. They're giving away a diesel truck. All kinds of good stuff going on this weekend. And when I say there's something for everybody, there's literally something for everybody. So if you can make it out, I'd love to see you there. I'll be in the back of Hall A next to Pungo Off-Road. The crawler will be kind of just sitting on its own, so swing by, say hi, subscribe to the channel, have a seat, get your picture with it, and have a good time. This is always fun had by all. So anyway, hope to see you out there. I'll do more video throughout the weekend. I volunteered to help the load in Thursday, Friday, and the load out on Sunday. So I'll kind of video some of that just to kind of give you an idea of what goes on. And wow, when I tell you, it's like so many moving parts to put on one of these events with so many different vendors and spectators and people showing things and coming from other states and everything. It's just amazes me every time I see it how it all just comes together. So we'll get some good video of the behind the scenes, and I'll put those videos up this weekend. But again, I hope to see you all out there. Have a great weekend. Peace.